into a world at war. Between the monsters that destroyed our cities and the monsters we created to stop them, we thought we had sacrificed enough. But the war we thought we finished is just beginning. And the only thing standing in front of the apocalypse is us.
War ready. War ready.
But it doesn't matter where you came from, who believed in you and who didn't.
War ready. War ready.
This is our time, this is our chance to make a difference.
War ready. War ready.
Now let's get it done.
That's what I'm talking about.
In my focus, I wanna get it on till I die. In my focus, I wanna get it on till I die.
They've evolved.
And they could wipe out all life.
Y'all remember me? Y'all remember me? In my focus, I wanna get it on till I die. Get it on till I die.
I think I could get used to this.
In my focus, I wanna get it on till I die.
There's something you need to see.